friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Happy Thanksgiving!
It is an unspoken rule that you cannot finish your Thanksgiving dinner without a pumpkin pie. But today we are going to be sharing a tasty dessert recipe that pairs very well with your Thanksgiving dinner. We are going to make an eggless whole wheat pumpkin spiced blondies. Are you wondering, what are blondies? Blondies are basically brownies made without cocoa powder. Now, you all know the first very important rule of baking is to always preheat your oven. So we're going to first preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We are going to substitute all-purpose flour with whole wheat flour. SIEVE whole wheat flour. Baking soda, ground cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice blend. If you don't have pumpkin pie spice blend, here is a quick recipe. Mix 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground clove, baking powder, salt, and set this aside. In a mixing bowl, add soft unsalted butter. Whisk until soft. Add granulated sugar, beat together until light and fluffy. Add pumpkin puree, Are you wondering how to make this pumpkin puree? Well, don't worry, because you came to the right place. Make sure to watch the suggested video that pops up to make this pumpkin puree. And mix well. Add vanilla extract. And we're going to mix it well again. Gradually add flour mixture and stir until it combines. Grease baking pan with cooking spray. Pour batter into prepared baking pan and smooth the top. Mix in sugar and cinnamon powder and sprinkle with cinnamon sugar. Bake blondies at preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Remove from oven, let it cool for 20 to 25 minutes. Slice and serve the blondies. do you call an upset brownie? A frownie. Here's a way to spread positivity everywhere. A brownie a day keeps the frownies away. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!